Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. So I am over the moon because I just got a delivery from FedEx. And it is my Jeffree Star surprise box bag, mystery box bag that Beautylish had available this week. And I scooped one up and could not contain my excitement the past, well, less than a week waiting for this delivery. Now, they also had their gift card event going on where if you spend $100 or more, or for every $100 you spend, you get a $20 gift card. Yeah, so, of course, I had to add a couple things to this box to get over 100, but then I ended up going back in and placing another order. So, either way, there was a bunch of stuff on Beautylish that was on sale with Jeffree Star. So, well, his products were on sale. So, there were so many things I don't have that I wanted to try. So either way, I'm going to share all that with you and let you know my thoughts, because some of the items I did use already. And we're going to open this mystery box. And she's big. Look. This is what it looks like when you open the Beautylish box. And we're just going to rip it open. Now, I did watch Jeannie over at Unfiltered 50s. I will link her channel up here. She got one of these mystery boxes too. And I saw the stuff that she got. So I'm really, really excited to see if we get different things, similar things, all that good stuff. And y'all, don't forget, tomorrow, April 2nd, Jeffree Star releases his spring mystery boxes over on his website directly. So much mystery stuff here. I'm going to actually pull out these lippies I purchased. They were on sale for $13 or $13.50, I think. I actually have two of the Jeffree Star glosses already. One of them Jeannie sent to me, and the other one I picked up on Mercari or something. But y'all, I am obsessed with them. And I wanted to get another one of this, which is Diamond Juice. And I love this gloss. The color is just so pretty. And when you change it up with like different lip liners, you can get like completely different looks from one gloss. So that is something I love about this. So this is what she looks like as far as the color. And it is like a shimmery sheer. Again, the color is Diamond Juice. But it's like a very neutral. Yeah, you really can't see it. Yeah, there it is. See that shimmer? It's so pretty. Okay, so I got that. And then the other one I got is Pretzel Drip. And this one I have not tried before. Oh, wow, look at that one. It's got like, let's put it on. Yeah, I like that. The other lippy I've got on is actually another Jeffree Star lippy that I got in the other order I did. I know. That one is right here. This is from, these are his matte lipsticks. They dry down really nicely. But I wanted like a nice pink for the spring. So I scooped this up, and yeah, it went on really nice. And it did dry down really good. But okay, so let's see what is in the actual mystery bag, surprise bag. Now, in my mystery surprise bag, it was $70. The first thing, look, this is, oh, the 5th year anniversary edition. This is cool. So there are 5 different lippies. That's really, really cool. Okay, so that's the first thing. And then, oh my gosh, there's a big box inside here. There's a bundle of goodies here. Y'all, okay. So, I've got the Magic Star Concealer in yellow. Yeah, I'm curious to see if that's going to work for me. Ooh, I don't know. Maybe it'll help, like, with color correcting. Once you blend it in, you think? I'll definitely try. And I got another gloss in my surprise bag. And the color is Beaded Glass. Ooh, I don't have this one. Ooh, I like that. All right, it's definitely a different tint. Still really pretty and neutral. But if you can see, these are the two. This is the Diamond Juice gloss here. And this is the Beaded Glass one here. So this one's got a little more of a beigey tint to it. Ew, I like it. I really like it. Okay. Next, I got this setting powder. Y'all, I literally ordered this in my other order and used it today. I am obsessed. This stuff is incredible. And like I said, it was on sale when I ordered it. So I am over the moon getting another one because I'm in love with this setting powder. It is so good. It blurred all of my pores right here. It hasn't settled into my wrinkles, nothing. It's so good. And I got another one in my surprise bag. Okay, there's more. I got this, which is, it's the lip scrub. Jeannie has gotten this before, and I've seen her literally like put it on her lips and then eat it. It's like, I think she had the strawberry one. But yeah, so this is the Shane Dawson Velour Lip Scrub in Diet Root Beer. Let's see what it smells like. Now, I am not really a big fan of root beer, but okay, this isn't that bad. Okay, cool. Look at that. I love me a good lip scrub, and I have been wanting to try this for a while. So, over the moon to get it. And next, I know that some of these are the Shane Dawson products, but the formula is still good. It's a good formula. So here's the Mini Controversy palette. Super pretty palette. Like I said, I do have one and I really like it. And then another palette. And obviously it's the Thirsty palette. And ironically, I did peek earlier. So when I did my look today, I used my Thirsty palette that I've already got. And did this look today with it. So this is actually one of, my favorite palettes. So I am excited because I will most likely pass the other one along to one of you. So yeah. I got one more thing in here. I know, there's still more. Look. Jeannie got a mirror in her surprise bag. And she got the pig mirror. Y'all. Isn't she beautiful? Why do we go so gaga over this stuff? I don't know. But I absolutely love this mirror. Oh my gosh. So, okay. So that was my mystery bag. I got the mirror. Now remember, it was $70 for this. So, okay. We've got the mirror. We got setting powder. I got the concealer, a gloss, the anniversary edition lip set, and the root beer lip scrub, and bam, 2 flippin' palettes. All for $70. Yeah. Freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay. Now, if you want to see, I'm going to pop over really quickly and show y'all the other goodies I picked up that were on sale. I already showed you the 2 lip glosses. I mentioned to you about the translucent powder already, and I know that he's got 2 translucent powders out. The one I got is, I don't think this is the luminous one. I think this is the regular one, and actually, this is the luminous one. So I got the luminous one in my surprise bag. And then I ordered the regular one. So I'm actually even more excited because I get to try both of them out. And this is the luminous one. Jeannie has got the luminous and she really likes it. Okay. So I already mentioned the glosses and stuff that I got. And then I did actually also, because it was on sale, I ordered a regular concealer from the website, and this color actually works a whole heck of a lot better than the yellow for me personally. You can see the difference between the two, and I did try this concealer today, and I like it. The other goodies I got on my regular order is I actually got another mirror because it was on sale, but I got this for my niece for her birthday because she is a Jeffree Star lover. So, and this is the pink approved mirror that comes like in this shape. And I got a bunch of things from Good Molecules because, again, Beautylish was running a special. If you spend $30, I think, on Good Molecules items, you get the Niacinamide Brightening Toner for free. So I had gotten this already in my Trendmood box, and I love it, the toner. So I also ordered the Boxycharm. I don't know. It's an oil blend for oily skin. So I want to try that and see how my skin does. And I also got Rosemary Daily Cleansing Gel. Sorry, rose water, not Mary. Rose water. And I love all things rose. And I got an overnight exfoliating treatment with a AHA BHA resurfacing serum. So this is supposed to also be really good. But that's it. That was my splurge and treat for myself over on Beautylish this past week. So that's everything. What do we think? Did you scoop one of these up for yourself already? I'd love to hear what you got, because obviously Jeannie and I got very different things. So it's kind of exciting to see what other people get. So I will be looking. And like I mentioned earlier, do not forget that tomorrow, April 2nd, is the mystery bags over on Jeffree Star's website directly. And I believe they've got, there's 3 or 4 different sizes. There's 3, but technically 4 different boxes. And they range anywhere from, I believe, $75 up to, you can get the full bundle of all 3 boxes for like $300 or something. $300, I believe it is. So it is a really great deal if you're able to scoop one of those up, or more than one. So I'm not sure if I'm going to. We will see though. But thank you guys, as always, for coming to hang out with me for just a little bit. And if you have not done so already, I would appreciate it and love it if you would consider smashing the subscribe button and notification bell so you can come back again and hang out with me in the near future for another one of my videos. Love you guys bunches. I will talk to y'all soon. See you in the next video. Bye.